Hello guys, Jail here from Tech Tutor. In this video, we're going to talk about how to set up SoFi account. So to do this is pretty simple. So go to SoFi.com and then here you can get started by just going to the home page, and then right here you will see that you can scroll down and you can get started. So here you can get started. First, you'll have to place in your first legal name and then your last name. And then you'll have to place in the state right here, of course. So let's just say Texas right here. And then we're going to place our name JL right here. And then we're going to place a random last name. So we're going to use some random emails right here. So let's just go random email. So actually just random@gmail.com. And then we're going to put this password at least in the requirements that it needs. So it has to have 8 characters and 3 of the following. So lower, upper, and numbers. So let's just go random right here. And then let's just do this. So by checking this, you'll have to agree that you have understood the concept of SoFi. And then next, you'll have to go to the next one where you'll have to do legal random things. So here, we'll just have to place in our password. So I entirely forgot the password, not gonna lie. So basically, all you have to do is sign up right here with the details, and then you will have to sign up some more details regarding your information about where you live, your address, your social security numbers, and many much more. So it's just easy to sign up here in SoFi. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.